Businesses that are deemed essential are always in demand, even in the face of major financial uncertainty. Apply your knowledge and personal experience to these ideas in unique ways. Focus on finding problems in these industries that you know you could solve, which will ensure job security and profit while other businesses could be struggling. Pet supplies. The average American sees their pet as part of their family, and these families keep growing. Over 68% of U.S. households have at least one pet, and while that has increased each year, spending on animal companions actually outpaces that growth. Studies show that people don't cut down on pet care costs during economic hardships. In fact, spending on pets has grown 4.6% annually over the past 10 years, even through recessions, which is 3 times faster than overall consumer spending. Aside from starting your own store, there are endless ways to get into the pet market. Find a need you know how to solve. Create a business entirely around snacks for pets. Offer grooming services and guides, or even provide high-cost products like cat condos. Most pet-based businesses are perfect to start from home, too. Boutique websites offer flexibility and creativity for all kinds of custom goods, like pet portraits or engraved collars. Expand your reach and gain new customers by resonating with the culture of pet ownership as a family affair. Celebrate pet holidays throughout the year, promote pets' happiness, and market little luxuries as important expenditures. In-home care. Care of all kinds, medical and non-medical, is a constant priority. From 2010 to 2015, this industry saw a steady rate of 4% growth. This is mostly due to an aging U.S. population. The ratio of those over 65 is expected to increase from 12.4% in 2000 to 19.6% by 2030. Most people want to live in their own homes as they age, so using in-home services is preferable and cheaper for the patient. The home healthcare market is expected to actually outpace all other care types, including in-hospital care. It's not just medical experts who can enter this industry either. Studies show that over 43% of the elderly experience social isolation, which correlates with loneliness, depression, and mental and physical decline. A service as simple as companionship is a worthy focus for anyone. Entrepreneurs with a nursing or therapy license are prime for contributing to this industry and solving unique problems. Consider ways to digitize care or offer additional services such as dog walking, laundry, gardening, and non-emergency transportation. Accessibility and simplicity are key for these clients. Equipment rental. Equipment rental is an essential business since it enables many other industries to function, from construction to food services. The equipment rental market size is projected to rise from $49.4 billion in 2017 to $59.4 billion in 2021. Businesses like to rent because it can be cheaper in the long run, and dependent on what you are leasing, may even provide you with tax benefits. The constant demand for computers, communication tools, and other office equipment means that this business offers lucrative staying power. Renting tools and equipment has increased since the Great Recession because it's easier and less intimidating to free up a small amount of cash each month, rather than buying something outright. Find a niche, any niche, and learn what the client base needs most. Listening to what they have to say is the best way to expand your business in this industry. Consider the ways you can rent to consumers too. There are rental businesses for everything from homeschooling supplies to party equipment to goats. Waste collection. No matter what the economy is like, waste removal and processing is absolutely necessary. Without these essential businesses, we would quickly become overwhelmed with trash pileups. The global waste management market is predicted to grow at a rate of 6% from 2018 to 2025, compared to the rate of global economic growth of 2 to 3%. There's a pressing need for new processes to lessen this unsustainable amount of trash. Over 4.5 million mattresses are sent to landfills or incinerators every year. and less than 5% of all lithium batteries get recycled. Your waste management business should encourage your customers to recycle whatever they can. Bridging that gap would make a profit and a difference. If you want to start small, consider a recycling pickup service. Focus on ways to provide customers with convenience, quick pickup, and careful handling. Oftentimes, old electronics, batteries, metals, and more have materials that can be sold or upcycled, earning you a double-sided profit. Essential support. Any business that helps essential businesses function is also considered essential. If you're not in a position to create a whole institution on your own, think of all the ways you could support the speed and quality of existing businesses. Hospitals, one of the most difficult and expensive businesses to start, are absolutely essential. They need help with everything from IT support, specially made software, record keeping, and even meal plans. 76% of hospitals operate their own food programs and are reporting steep increases in the number of patients that require meals, which is putting a strain on their systems. Yet some of these hospitals report up to 80,000 uneaten meals per day. This demonstrates the overwhelming need for new food options in hospitals, especially because nutrition plays a pivotal role in the healing process. 34% of hospitals budget up to $5 million on food service annually, indicating that there is a strong market ready to invest in new food ideas. If you're great with nutrition, your services to local hospitals in the form of ready-to-eat meals or menus tailored for all types of needs would be of great value. Hospitals aside, think outside the box about local essential businesses, from repair services to funeral homes, and what you could do to support them. Focus on what you know, brainstorm a list of interests, and connections will start surfacing. This list is just the tip of the iceberg. Small businesses are the lifeblood of every community. We want you to be passionate and prepared for a lifetime of entrepreneurship. If you're looking for more inspiration, we made some free tools to generate ideas, find a name, and form your business. Find free resources and guides at TRUiC.com.